So before we move any forward on our products, what I'd like to do is explain why manufacturing is so important. Let's pretend we all go to the best high-end clothing store in your area. We buy a very fancy dress or maybe a suit jacket for the men on the phone, and it's high-quality material, very, very high-quality material. But they've stitched this very expensive piece of clothing together terribly. And you wear it once, you wear it twice, and the stitching starts coming apart. Well, how would you feel about that expensive piece of clothing? Not very good. Well, manufacturing is like the stitching in nutritional medicine. Manufacturing is key to making sure that you have high-quality products. And what I'd like to do before we go any further is just talk a little bit about our manufacturing certifications. Because in the United States, if your manufacturer is certified under good manufacturing processes and the FDA and the NSF, you are a really good company. You're on the ball. Because the supplement industry gets a very bad name for putting things in a bottle and then really what's in the bottle is not the same what's on the label. And so you always want to make sure at a bare minimum that the manufacturing facility that's making the supplements that you take is a GMP facility, an FDA facility, and it's one step even higher if it's an NSF facility. But here at ARIIX, we care so much that we give you what we call a potency promise, 100% potency guarantee. Do you know how we do that? It is because of our OT certification at our manufacturing facility. OTC certification is our over-the-counter certification. That means our facility can actually make pharmaceutical drugs like Tylenol, Advil, all those sorts of things. Now, we don't make that, but our facility is certified to do that. And when our facility is certified with that type of licensing, our supplements must be manufactured to the same exact standards. That gives every doctor, every physician, every person taking our products the assurance that when we tell you something's in the product, it's in the product. Because we've tested the raw ingredient when it lands in our facility. We produce it under very strict regulations because our manufacturing facility is over-the-counter drug registered. And then we test it again to make sure that the potency is there and that the manufacturing is 100% accurate. This is a key difference on a product that you can go buy at your large convenience store and ARIIX Nutritionals. And Dr. Strand, I know you have something to say about certifications.
Well, yeah, you know, being involved in a specialist in nutritional medicine, the greatest problem for me as a physician is I was really entering basically an unregulated market. The FDA looks at nutritional supplements like they look at foods. Now, they're trying to raise the bar, and they've established dietary supplement standards for good manufacturing practices, but it's not the level that I as a physician want. I'm used to prescribing medication. And so I wanted a facility that was not only FDA registered, but that was drug certified. And that's what OTC means. And I also wanted them to be compliant with USP. I want to make sure our capsules and everything dissolved. And that's the thing that I look at, because I know my patients can get a health benefit from these supplements. So I want to know if they're going to spend their time, their money, and effort, they're actually going to be receiving what I want them to. And you have to get to this level. If you're not at this level, you have no assurance. And it sets us apart. We are up. The only greater level is if you are a pharmaceutical company producing pharmaceutical drugs. That's the only level above what our manufacturing facility is.
You know, you said something that I think is really important. You said USP with our capsules and our dissolve rate, and I want everybody to know that we chose capsules. You see, I believe the greatness is in the details, and we chose capsules over tablets, because, first of all, tablets is the least expensive way to make nutritionals on the market, but it is not the consumer preference because they're harder to swallow, and our capsules are pharmaceutical-grade capsules that have a dissolve rate of 1 minute and 33 seconds. It is much more expensive to make products in capsules, but we don't care about those things. We care about the results. We care about consumer preference. We care about the fact that capsules are really the way to go, especially if you have any customers that have any type of digestive disorder issues, because they have a very quick dissolve rate and allow the nutrients inside to just be dispersed and do their job. I'd like you to know also here at ARIIX, we're going to continue to get certified. We are currently halal certified, which is for any of the Muslim community, and we are also working with BSCG. That is the banned substance control group that works with semi-pro, pro, Olympic athletes to assure that our products are free of any substances that are on the anti-doping list. Currently, BSCG has certified our Optimals and Restorex, and we will be working through the rest of our products to be certified by them as well. So we want to make sure that we can service the professional, the elite, the Olympic athletes of the world, and people just feel really assured knowing that we're taking every step possible to make sure that you're getting the best products on the market.